If you struggle to find the perfect nude gel polishes, this video is for you. Beetles gifted me some products for review purposes. I'm starting by unboxing the Nude Harmony nail polish kit. It comes with 6 nude gel polishes. Also, I got these nail brushes. I love the pink floral packaging and the attention to detail. Just look at how cute they are. They're literally matching the packaging. This set comes with 6 different types of brushes, a palette, and a brush holder. I'm definitely using these next, so stay tuned for that video. I'm so excited to try out these nail sponges. They come with 150 sponges and the grabbing tool to use them. I can't wait to create some ombre nail art with these. I feel like they will be so cool to use on your natural nails. Now let's start swatching. This first color has a white neutral base. The second color has a rosy finish to it. Next, we have a true neutral nude color. And this nude looks mauve to me. This shade is the darkest from the set and I love it. And the last shade is a very light neutral with a creamy white base. And here are the final results. I love the variety of bases that the nude gels offered. They're perfect for French tips or just a single color. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for my Halloween nail looks coming tomorrow.